I'm on the 4th floor, number 415. I hope I'm not right by, okay. I think I'm over here, right by the ice machine. Let me see. You know when the influencers do their, what? This is 410, 411. Okay, so 415's down here. When they do the reveal and it like they open the door and walk into the room, but they've already been in the room. It's kind of funny. That's 413. Okay, I'm in 415 right here. Okay, and they got Braille and I think I'm in, oh, okay, audio visual door alert. I think I'm in the accessible room, which is great. So let's see if the key works. I probably already deactivated it by touching the key with my phone magnet. There we go. Okay, let's do the big reveal. Oh my God. Let's see how it looks. I've got so much stuff with me. I've got this bag and my pillow. Oh, this is nice. This is very nice. Just your average Fairfield. And I've got TV. This is nicer than the ones I generally shell out money for myself. So let's see my view. And this is great because then I can just like leave the blind down, but I actually like natural light and I don't think anyone's going to see me. And they have a swimming pool, which does not look inviting right now. Okay, so there is my view with a Waffle House. This is like typical, the Shell station, Waffle House, and storage. Okay, and this is the room here. This is great. So maybe I can connect my computer to the TV and watch YouTube. This is very, very nice. And so we've got, let me put my bag down, hang on one second. All right, this is the bed, this is the TV, that's the desk. I've got my special pillow that I got from the VA. I've got a closet here. I don't know what that is. I guess that's an ironing board. An ironing board is like a surfboard that has a job. It's like a meme that said that. Microwave and fridge, cool. Okay, and this is the bathroom, very nice. Let's see, there's me waving. I thought this was a shower. I was like, that's a weird shower curtain. That's a wall. It's very much a wall. And then the shower. This is beautiful. This is like a brand new, spanking new hotel. Doesn't look very accessible though. Yeah, this is not the accessible. It just has for hearing accessibility, doorbell, switch turns doorbell on or off. Okay, yeah, so if you're with somebody that is like, you know, hard of hearing or something like that, then they have buttons for you to be assisted, which is good. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of my stuff and then it's only like 3:30. So I'll find out what time I'm going to dinner and then maybe I'll go get groceries now before I have dinner, now that I'm just in my running shoes and my fuzzy jacket, and do that before it, you know, starts getting super cold and super nasty. I have to say this is the most useless like luggage cart. I can't even push it in a straight line. How am I supposed to use this thing? Look at this thing. Look. What? Good thing I took half my bags up already. Okay, let's figure out how not to lose everything between here and the front entrance. Okay, stop the presses, as they used to say back in the day when they had actual frickin' newspapers when I wanted to be a journalist. What is this? Is this an ice rink? I have my ice skates with me. I have my butt pads with me. This might be an ice rink. My hotel is right next door. Sorry, right over there. Literally, I can walk in my ice skates to the ice skate center. I gotta look that up. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here now. To go to dinner. This is just one big gigantic parking lot with stuff. Okay, let me go look this up in a minute. Oh, if this is an ice skating rink, I'm gonna be ice skating all day tomorrow after my meeting, after lunch. Okay, cool. And then maybe I won't leave Thursday morning. Maybe I'll come ice skating here and then leave after that. So this is my evening. I'm just exporting videos, adding music, and uploading to YouTube. I was going to go to the supermarket, but it's cold and I'm already in for the night. Dinner was great. I had pad thai, really, really good restaurant in one of these like master planned little outdoor shopping areas. I was like, oh, I didn't expect anything of it. And my friends had fried rice, curry, and it was kind of like like all of Asia. So it's like in Houston we have Asian Town. That's what it's called. The Texans just put everybody together, and it's like every single Asian country is represented in like a 2-block radius. But yeah, that's where Kitakuni is, the Japanese bookstore I get my daughter's manga from. But anyway, so yeah, this is me editing on Premiere Pro. I know some people use Final Cut Pro and others use other programs, but I've used Adobe Creative Suite for 1,000 million years, so go with what you know. Anyway, what else? Yeah, the room's nice. I'm drinking my tea and my secondary tea and just making a big old mess, and then charging all of my stuff over there. I've got my special pillow. So yeah, they have a hot breakfast here tomorrow at the little restaurant downstairs. It's all included. And I was like, oh, well, maybe I won't eat cereal for breakfast. Maybe I'll get an omelet. The ice rink, unfortunately, only has public skate from 11:15 to 12:30 p.m. And I have a meeting during that time, a lunch meeting again. So that's not going to work. So then, because I think the meeting starts at like 11 to 2. And then after that, I'm just free. So I might try to find friends or, go out in Nashville tomorrow night. I don't care if it's cold. I've got my puffy jacket over there. You can see right over there. Sorry, I'm already making a mess of the room. My bathroom is just, everything just exploded from my, my toiletry kit. But yeah, so I think maybe I'll go out tomorrow. I don't know. Maybe I'll just stay in and enjoy the warm room. And then what else? What else am I doing tomorrow? That's it. So yeah, just kind of laying low. There's some stores around here, but it's just the same stuff I can get in Houston. And I just drove 15 hours over like a day and a half, so I'm tired. But yeah, if the ice rink had public skate tomorrow afternoon, then I would go ahead and do that, but they don't. So I could find another ice rink and, just get with the cold, since I do have my ice skates with me. And I'm not going to be able to ice skate until I'm back in Houston this weekend. I'm going to ice skate next Tuesday, and then I've got other stuff that I have to drive to Albuquerque. But this has been great. I'm glad I came out here. It's been interesting driving through the rain and all the crappy weather, but it's nice to be in a different city. I would just be sitting in Houston right now doing the same exact thing, editing videos, except this is nicer because now I'm in Nashville. So yeah, I'll just see who's around. It'll be a Wednesday night tomorrow, so I don't know if people go out on Wednesday, but I've got all my go out clothes. So I've got my regular civilian clothes and not workout clothes. So it was good to go to the gym today, even for half an hour. I don't have all my van clothes, which is all just like National Park long sleeve shirts, hoodies, and leggings. I've actually got jeans and jackets and shirts and regular underwear, not my hiking underwear. You can't wear decorative underwear when you hike. You just get too many wedgies. So I wear my granny panties, not that you need to know that, but much more comfortable. Anyway, so that said, yeah, let me just keep editing these, figure out what I'm going to do tomorrow. I don't know what I'll do. Maybe I will, maybe I will go out. Maybe I'll go explore Nashville if it's not going to be snowing, since the storm kind of didn't happen. But I'm glad I went the way I did. And then I've got an invite on the way back Thursday night if I make it to New Orleans, which means I have to leave here. New Orleans is like an 8-hour drive, so it's only 8 hours from here. So maybe I could leave here early Thursday morning, although if the breakfast buffet is good, I'm going to stick around and I'm just going to enjoy the room until checkout time and then drive 8 hours to New Orleans. But if I decide to go out, I need to be in New Orleans by 5 p.m., which means I'd have to leave here by 9 a.m. And I don't really want to leave here at 9 a.m. I mean, look at this room. Like, it's just... I'm getting to trash the room, and who gets to do that? No, just kidding. No, it's very comfortable. I mean, no view, but who cares? Nobody's here. It's only like, a handful of guests. I can't even figure out how to put the TV on. So, and I've got my vitamin bottles up there. I'm like, I'm just keeping healthy and all this stuff. But yeah, this bed is wider than my van, which is kind of funny. It is wider than my van. I have to lay sideways on it to measure, but I'm pretty sure this is like a king bed. And then got my special pillow, as I said, my little special pillow. I don't know what size bed this is. Not California King, because that one you can fit like 12 people side by side. But anyway, so yeah, just gonna kind of enjoy the room, drink my tea, got my little sleep mask, got my reading glasses, but now I've got my regular glasses on. Took my contacts out, washed my face, and now I'm just relaxing and doing video stuff. Yeah. captivating content. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, I've been to Nashville a million billion times, and unless there's somewhere that, you know, my friends will take me out, I'll go out. But again, I just don't want to waste money on downtown parking unless they pick me up. I don't drink, so that also eliminates, like, I mean, it's fine for me. I don't care if I don't drink, but it just means like I have to drive myself. So yeah, I'm my own designated driver and I don't even drink. But anyway, but yeah, dinner was good. It was really good, actually. I finished almost the whole thing. I was going to take half home, but pad thai is not the kind of food you heat up the next day, although I do have a microwave in here. So if I stay in tomorrow night, I will go to the supermarket and get something to make in the room. Or maybe I'll just go walk over, since it's just right around the corner, walk over to the little shopping area, and there's some other restaurants there that I could check out. So yeah, I just, you know, it's like I'm on my own, so I don't really need to go eat out on my own all the time. Like, I save that for special occasions. That way it saves money. But sometimes I want to treat myself if I'm in a new city or something like that. So I don't know. I'll see what's around here. I don't actually know exactly the area that I'm in. I know I'm in Bellevue, which is west of Nashville. This hotel is very, very new, which is nice. And actually, it was so like cold when I got here that I didn't even put the air on. And I was like, why is the room so stuffy? So I put the air on a little bit. It's nice and quiet. But yeah, this is about 5 times bigger than the room that I had in New York City. And in New York, when I opened the window and looked out to see the view, I could see like 4 other rooms. And I'm like, hi, here for the show. So anyway, I'm on the top floor too, so I got no one above me, so I'll sleep like a rock. I've got a nice little closet. Everything's been put away and thrown out and dumped. You know, this is me sprawling. When I live in the van, everything is very neatly, meticulously put in its place. And whenever I'm in anything not a van, I'm just like, all the surface areas are covered with something. I just like, I'm very lateral. I'm just like very horizontally placing everything, because I'm like, I have space. I don't have to like file everything away. So anyway, so that said, I am just going to finish editing and exporting and uploading while I have good, well, marginally good Wi-Fi. Get those out, and then I think I'm just going to veg and watch television if I can figure out how to use it, or maybe just finish watching Homeland. I think I'm on season 5. So yeah, okay. All right, see you guys later. Bye. Good morning. I am heading to breakfast. Go see what they have down there. Maybe there's something else I can bring up. And then maybe tomorrow I'll eat breakfast down there. But I was so hungry when I woke up this morning. So when you have an early dinner, I had dinner at like 5 p.m. yesterday. And I woke up and I was starving. Okay, let's go down. This is a nice hotel. It's got like double elevator doors. I don't know what 1R is. I clicked it and it wouldn't send me there. So it was like, you don't get to go to 1R, you get to go to 1. So yeah, so let me go down. I feel stuffy because I've been in the hotel room instead of the van, where I can like open the vent. In the hotel room, the windows don't open, which is another thing about being in a sticks and bricks. You don't get any fresh air. So let me see what they have down here. Okay. Holiday. Okay. All right. Okay, this is the breakfast. I said they had hot breakfast. They've got bagels, toaster, oatmeal. Then they have cereal, yogurts, chocolate milk. Okay. Oh, there we go. Eggs. So we have pancakes and scrambled eggs. I might get some scrambled eggs. And that's it. And they have a fire pit out here, but it's very cold. It's 28 degrees right now. It's a little chilly. I don't know if the swimming pool's heated. I need like a hot tub or something. Okay, so let's go. A souffle, jalapeno. No. There's yogurt. Oh, I can get some yogurt. I'll take some stuff up with me. I'll get some scrambled eggs. I think that'll be good. And Special K, Frosted Flakes, orange juice, and all of this stuff. Yeah, I'll get breakfast down here tomorrow as well, so I don't have to go to the supermarket. Okay.